First magnet, about the third toss, we lost that bad boy. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lance, and we're here today down by the river, and Henry and I are filming our first video today. We've been treasure hunting for a long time, but we're going to try out magnet fishing today, and we thought we'd share it with you guys. We both got magnets for Christmas, and we're going to try to see if we can find anything here at the river.
Oh, you're recording? Hey, what's up, dude? What's up? How you doing? As you can see, Dad got clearly nothing. Back to Dad. Oh, you got something, Dad. We got something. We got some bark, dude. Did we get something? Assuming no. That was the weakest cast I've seen. Dad right here with this amazing cast. So, you know, there's probably not anything on it. No. That's nothing. Not a soul to be sold. I've already found 3 hooks. This dude.
You found 4 hooks.
I lost one of them.
Where'd you lose it?
I was trying to pick it up. Right in there. I'll probably find it. I'm just don't want to. Did he get something? That's a good cast right there, my man.
So, leave a comment. Should I go in that water and get that magnet? What do you think? Because I'm not going. I'm probably attached to something. And it's so strong that I can't get it out.
It's a safe, man.
I don't know.
That's a safe.
Alright, gang. First magnet, about the third toss, we lost that bad boy. So here we are. Big Hen is doing some casting. See what we get. So not a lot on that cast.
Actually, earlier I found 3 fishing hooks. So.
Nice. All right.
Hang on. Is that the golden sweet potato? Look at that end. I love that thing. Actually, that's what that is.
Well, gang, today's been a bust. We tried. We came out here to a great spot. Just didn't find anything today. And we lost a magnet, but we've had a good time. Kids have enjoyed themselves. I've had a blast. Hope to see you on our next adventure. Watch me.